Today we are going to do database lab experiment 6. Here we have to do by using PLSQL, and these are the questions given, and I have did the query for this question. Now we can see the question. Create a stored procedure that display the name and the customer ID for the customer whose booking ID is passed as parameter. Now I created, this is the syntax for creating a PLSQL procedure, PLSQL procedure, create or replace procedure, and the number procedure name, and is start begins declaration, customer ID declared, and begin, and select the customer ID login name into customer ID login name from customer details where customer ID. Here we are using subquery for doing this question, and we have created the procedure for this one, and procedure created. Next question, create a stored procedure that receives the car ID and raise in price as parameter. It then raises the price of the car in the car details table. Now here again we have to create a procedure. The syntax is given below, given above. Create or replace procedure, the name of the procedure, and is begin declaration, and begin this one declaration, and the procedure is created, and select start from the price details, and the list is given below. Now we have used procedure percentage procedure successfully completed. Select start from the price details. Now the price detail is increased, price is increased, and the detail is shown. Create a stored procedure which take booking date and customer ID as input. The procedure should display the number of days in the car as being booked. Here again we have to create a procedure. Create or replace procedure. The syntax is shown. Create or replace procedure. Procedure name is begin noun, and begin select count return date, and the subqueries we are used, and DBMS output for showing the output, and end. Here we have procedure is created, and select the start from booking, and we have selected all the columns and columns from the table car booking, and 11 rows are selected. Now we have to this one we have to show the answer. We have to we have used this procedure successfully completed, and we have to get the output for this one. Write the procedure that delete the car record whose car ID number is passed to it. If such car number is not existing, raise no data found exception. Here we have to use exception in the procedure. First we have to create procedure. Create procedure is the syntax. Begin, and here we have to declare the exception. After declaration we have to declare the exception handling, and we have to create, and the exception is created over here, and the output is given. Write the function to display price of a booking with the given booking number. We have created a procedure, and we have created a query for showing the for displaying the price of the given booking number. Create a function which count total number of car having price more than 500. Here we have created the procedure, and we have created a query for a PLSQL query for showing price more than 500. Price DBMS output line function 5, and it will show the price more than 500. Create a function which display the car detail when color is given as input. Here we have created here we have to create a function. Here a function should always return a value, and we have created a function. For creating function, the syntax is create or replace function name, color varchar, return. This is the return type, return data type, and this function is given price car detail, and we have created the function, and this should always return a value. And we have created a procedure. Procedure is we have created before. Declare, and we have created a procedure. Declare type TT is table of car details, and begin select start from bulk collect into S from the car details. we have to select the as the color from the car details, and we have to show the color of the car.